Welcome back. Let's do question 1A3. A jeweler manufacturer measured the diameters of 400 gold spheres produced by machine A and another 400 produced by machine B. The results are represented in the cumulative frequency curves alongside. If the gold spheres with diameters less than or equal to 5,9 millimeters are considered defective, determine the percentage of defective gold spheres produced by machine B. Right, we have to understand now the cumulative frequency curves. Right, we were told that if the gold spheres with diameters less than or equal to 5,9, so you come to 5,9 here, and then machine B, and then we read the cumulative frequency here, which is 100. All right, what is the meaning of this? We're saying there are 100 spheres, right? From 0 to 100 here means 100. The gap between 0 and 100 is 100. So it means 100 spheres have diameters which are shorter than 5,9 millimeters. And then above 5,9, we have this gap here between 100 and 400. It means 300 spheres have diameters which are longer than 5,9. That's what it means. So now it says if the gold spheres with diameters less than or equal to, so we're talking about these 100. Okay, so there are 100 spheres out of 400. Determine the percentage of the defective gold spheres produced by machine B. Is 100 over 400. That's the fraction, but we want the percentage. So here we're just converting a fraction to a percentage. So we multiply by 100% over 1. Okay, please take note, you don't put the percent in the calculator. You leave it, treat it like a unit, because you want it to appear in your answer. Once you put it in the calculator, then it must not appear in your answer. It's going to be a decimal fraction. So now you want this percentage to appear in the answer, leave it out. Don't put it in the calculator. So it becomes 1 over 4 times 100, which is 25%. So that's the percentage of what? Of defective gold spheres produced by machine B.